For non-folding treadmills, begin by placing the unit on its side. For folding treadmills, begin by folding the unit into its upright position. Locate the screws securing the end caps. Using a Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws and take off the end caps. Next, using a metric Allen wrench, remove the bolts by turning them counterclockwise. Lift the old roller and slide it out of the treadmill frame. Slide the new roller through the belt and place into the holding bracket. Reinstall the bolts, turning them clockwise. You have completed rear roller replacement.